In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have accidentally deleted some messages on WhatsApp and now you want to recover them but you don't have a backup, then what you have to do is to click and hold on this WhatsApp's logo, go to app info, go to storage and cache, and then click on this clear cache option. Once you have done that, close settings and open your file manager. Go to all files, internal storage, Android, media, scroll down and click on com.whatsapp. Click on WhatsApp and then go to databases. Now all you have to do is to copy all these files. Click on copy and go back to the previous folder. Go to backups and paste all those files here. And that's it. Once you have done that, your deleted chats on WhatsApp will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.